Welcome back to Camshaft's Garage, and today we're working on my brother's truck.
Yep. What we doing, Tuck? You don't have no clue? Any ideas what we're doing? No ideas whatsoever? Alright. Since Cam don't know what we're doing. We're doing, man, we're doing a lot of stuff. Basically built motor, built transmission. What size converter?
3200.
3200 Circle D converter. Cam, headers. All the things to have a good party with. Ain't it right, Cam? We've already pulled transmission out. You don't know? It's like 28 degrees out here this morning. And the shop is already full. So we're running out of room to work on.
Why don't we just move the golf carts outside?
Well, we probably will shortly. Once we get it where we can mobilize it, you know, forwards and backwards. You know what I mean? But anyway, we started on transmission last night. It got dark on us, and when it got dark, it got cold. So we've been out here, how long have we been out here? An hour this morning. Finished getting transmission out. So now Cam's got a big mess he's got to clean up.
I didn't do anything. You just...
Hey, it don't matter. You still got a big mess you got to clean up. Has the viewer seen you nice work shirts you got there? I don't have any idea if they can see you. You might want to scoot over a little bit. There you go. You get your very own personalized Camshaft Garage work shirt.
My name's already peeling off.
Hey, we'll have to work on it. It'll be all right though. All right, we're gonna get this mess cleaned up. I guess next we're gonna pull the motor. So, give us a few minutes to clean all this mess up. Reassess all our tool situation. Then we'll get to snatching this engine out right quick, like lickety split.
About an hour, Cam. Have it out about an hour.
Should, ain't a whole lot holding it in now. Mostly wiring harness. Wiring harness and 2 bolts maybe. All right. We'll be back with you in a minute. All right, we're back. We're back.
Yeah.
Taking everything off that needs to be took off, I think. What have you been doing?
Helping.
You ain't done nothing. You've been sitting in the shop in front of the heater. So, let's see if we can't get this thing snatched out of here. What do you think, Cam? Big help you have been. They get a little straighter on your chain hooking there and this one.
I think you forgot a bolt.
Huh? Yeah, what kind of bolts? I'm sure it is. There's weight sitting on these springs. It's going to pick the truck up first. Yeah.
You need to move the hood.
It'd stick something in between the bumper and the jack here. But we're getting ready to skin it up.
Cam, get a rag or something.
Take cardboard off that box, just rip it off. Good God Almighty. You can't tear the box.
I was serious.
Hang on there, Nelson.
Can I slide forward?
Now fold this rag up. Put this rag against the bumper. You hold that cardboard against the the whole shebang.
Yep, a lot of stuff. Oh, shit. I think I'm trying to take my fingers in.
Good.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Get the viewers in here so they can see what's going on. Cam, you're supposed to be the cameraman, aren't you?
I don't know.
All right. We got to pop loose them 2 bolts on the hood.
I was looking for a 10. What do we do with the 10?
We are running out of real estate in a hurry.
Real estate.
Real estate.
I thought that was like bank account stuff.
Real estate? I don't think that's got nothing to do with your bank account.
What are we taking the hood off for?
What?
What are we taking the hood off for?
Just need to prop it back. Oh, gotta take that off too.
I don't know what a deep set is.
That deep set 10, some kind of bad in this one. Some kind of bad.
Where's that? Is that a big one or a little?
Had a prop last time. I think we used a broomstick, I believe. All right. Are we eligible to come forward yet?
Yes.
Or spin?
Yes. Both.
Go ahead and get the old loader and power steering pump out the way, ain't we? All right, ridiculous.
Probably fans too.
All right. We still got more stuff to take off. We'll be back with you in a minute. We had to relocate a couple of items.
The wind's blowing it. No, the wind's blowing
The wind ain't got nothing to do with you being lazy. Go down before we have catastrophic failure, you know what I mean? That's set us out.
What about my son and
Ladies, just sit.
we can sit down. Because my mother keeps saying, you know, no, I'm not. It sounds like a good thing. Wash your hands. Wash your noggin.
We got a lot of stuff to clean up this week.
There ain't nothing to clean up.
There's parts everywhere. You gotta find my tools.
There's no tools anywhere around here.
Tools out.
We're putting the engine on that engine stand in this.
I'll put it right back in this. You ain't really gonna need it. Sitting down over there.
I'm gonna make most of my vehicle look at yourself there, Cam. And plus everything you're messing with. All right. So, we're going to get this stuff cleaned up. We're going to get, we'll say if we can find all the tools that we've lost. But we're going to get inside and get out of this wind. Because it's something else out here.
With the chicken inside?
It's done blowed the stand over twice while we were not filming. So let's get all this mess cleaned up and we'll get back with you in a minute.
You do that.
Cam, bring me a fuel filter wrench, oil filter wrench. Now you got to tell about what goes on this. Got about truck, etc., etc. Got the motor out the truck. Went pretty well, I'd say. Get this thing tore down, get the heads pulled off of it. All that good stuff. Take the block to the machine shop. Get the heads poured and polished. Get some rings put in it. Go ahead and get them gaps so we can put some boost to it this summer. Cam, you got to tell about what you're doing? New bearings.
I'm about to take the oil filter off.
Can you get it? You know how to work that wrench?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Give me the bucket so I can sit on it.
Oh, there you go. Ought to be pretty fun. Daddy, somebody's put a rear cover on this too. Rear cover is brand new. Yeah, whenever they had the transmission on, probably the rear line's still in. That's the wrong way. You're going the wrong way, Cam. There you go. I popped that thing open and it was brand new. Is it too tight?
I think it's densing it and then cutting it open.
Mm-hmm.
There's also fluid coming out of the front of it. I think that's my phone you got there. You like hill climb music, don't you? No, I didn't.
You want to spin it off and get your hands dirty or what? Or not really? You don't mind? right, y'all. That's about it for me and Cam. Got the engine tore down. Next stop is the machine shop for her.
Our
Let y'all know how it goes.
Our bare engine block is where we're gonna take it.
Yep. Probably gonna pull the valley cover off. That'll be about it. That's all for me. Later. Cam, you got any words of wisdom? Thumbs up.
Like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, even the ones you don't like.
Right on.